How to fix Airalo eSIM not connecting to the internet. Now this is going to be a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow all the steps. Now the first step that you can take is check the network coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with a good internet coverage. Sometimes moving to a different location can help. Next up is enable data roaming. You can go to your phone settings and ensure your data roaming is turned on. This is a crucial for using eSIM services, especially when traveling internationally. Then you can also verify your APN settings by heading to the settings, network and internet. Then you need to go for mobile networks and simply click on access point names. Ensure the APN settings matches with those provided by RLO. Incorrect APN setting can prevent internet access. Next up is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Also, you can try out that airplane mode. You can turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. This can reset your network connections as well. If the above steps didn't work, you can try deleting and reinstalling the eSIM profile and follow the instructions provided by IRLO for reinstallation. Next up is you need to ensure that your device software is up to date. If you are using iPhone, make sure that your iOS is up to date as well, because outdated softwares can cause compatibility issues. If none of those steps work, you can reach out to IRLO's customer support for further assistance. So this was the guide of how you can fix IRLO not connecting to internet.